Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort different types of media into folders on CapCut PC. So super simple, just right click anywhere or select this funnel button and select video if you want to sort the video into a folder. I already have a video folder, but if you don't, you can just right click and select new folder, scroll down and then rename it, and then name it video. I'm just going to delete that. So I have these which are all videos. So I'm just going to select them and drag them into the folder. So just press drag that, or press the control to also select them and put them in videos like so. And you can also do that for audio. So these are all audios. So I'm just going to select these files and I'm going to add them on in the audio folder. Oh, I still have a lot. Hold on. And just drag them to the folder, and then we have these which are all images. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. And I'm just going to select all of them and I'm going to add them to the pictures folder. So you'll have these this clean and organized, I guess, look on CapCut PC. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!